Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Then we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on other settings. Then let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.